jump at my face.
Guys, I'm so scared. You guys need to get every motion down.
I think I'm twitching.
That was just a lick.
Yes.
Sorry, guys.
But that was so funny.
Alright, so she's gonna be Harley, and I'm gonna be her. Just because it's so funny. Alright, so you gotta twitch, remember?
Alright, let me move the.
Guys, I want to make sure you guys get every motion, so like
Did
this.
you just say every little shit? That's what it sounded like. Wait, hold on. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool.
Alright, this is. Maybe we can do that for a nightlight for you.
I don't need night lights. Dumb.
No, but when you have to use the bathroom, sure, in the night.
Who's me trying to throw up in a little wall?
Oh. Alright, guys, we'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, we're back. Let's finish this. That's a fan, Harler.
Harler.
Alright, guys, we'll see you guys in a minute. So I can be Harley.
Harley.
Bye. Wait, stare at Frank really quick. Frank's pranks.
No, don't. Wait, I think I started it.
He's like this.
Trying to twitch like I did. You sound like a pig though. That's a fan, Har.
Did I just
Yeah, because we're literally this close.
we have to be quiet.
We can't.
Okay, let's say it again.
Now, how about we do the twin telepathy?
No, we're gonna do that again.
Once more, and then we do twin telepathy.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you
down.
one. Okay.
Then we can put our music and try to rest.
No, we have to put our music on to clean and then try to rest.
How are we supposed to clean this?
Or do you want to clean in the morning?
Why? Because we're going to get up at 6. Yeah.